I want some extra income. Any ideas on how to earn online?
I got one for you. What about dropshipping? It's an excellent way to start your own business online. You won't need to worry about huge investments, any inventory, or shipping. This is an awesome opportunity to have a really high profit that you control yourself. Moreover, this is the kind of business that you can run from anywhere in the world.
Well, sounds good, but actually, I don't have any experience on how to build and run this kind of business. But I love this idea, so what's next?
It doesn't matter if you are a total newbie or a true expert in dropshipping. We have the ideal solution for you. Our custom store is perfect for a hassle-free start and immediate profits. You will get a unique dropshipping store with all necessary tools and options to run your own business successfully.
Cool. How to get it?
You order a custom web store. Then, your personal support manager gets in touch with you to work on your project from start to finish, taking care about everything. Our team will help you to choose a profitable niche, add products, develop, and customize a professional web store. We will also ask you to fill in our questionnaire. This way, we will learn your requests and preferences. It's recommended to work in a niche you're passionate about, or at least know quite well. Basically, you can choose any niche you like. So, in just a few days, you will have your own dropshipping business ready to make the first profit for you. From the technical point of view, your web store is fully ready for operation when we hand it over to you.
Do you mean I will get a store ready to bring me profit instantly?
Of course! When our work is done, you can start selling immediately. Everything is set up already, so you can accept payments and process orders right after getting the site from us. Our automated solutions help you run and promote your store easily. Your profit depends on your own promotional efforts only. Some of our clients, like Alex and Muslim, are making huge money with these stores from the first month.
Well, I think I got it.
Cool! Just choose the package that suits you best and let's start your dropshipping journey today.
Are you looking for the best solution for your dropshipping store? Meet Alidropship plugin. It's the most powerful tool for dropshipping stores based on WordPress. More than 30,000 entrepreneurs have already created their stores with the help of the plugin, and they're crazy about it. Why? Let me tell you. No more routine work. This plugin will automate all the repetitive dropshipping tasks, just in a couple of clicks. The plugin automatically imports Alyexpres products to your store, one by one or in bulk. You can also forget about updating prices and stock by yourself. Alidropship gets your store synchronized with Alyexpres easily. You've got lots of orders? Congratulations then! No more manual product ordering and forms filling. The plugin will fill in all the necessary fields on Alyexpres automatically. Process orders in just a click. Looking for modern and beautiful designs? Free mobile-friendly and highly convertible themes are available for you with the Alidropship plugin. Take a note, we test our themes on our own multi-million stores to provide you with the solutions which bring the largest revenues. All the more, you also get Alidropship plugin Woo version. Go for it if you're an experienced WooCommerce user, so you can enjoy the selection of Woo themes and plugins. And yes, you will get Woo version absolutely free, in addition to Alidropship Original. And do you know what the best thing is about all of this? No monthly fees for you anymore. Get the Alidropship plugin and forget about the recurrent payments forever. You get the plugin for the one-time payment, and it's yours till the end of time. Free lifelong support is included. And don't forget about our special offer. Order our hosting solution, which is perfectly optimized for your e-commerce sites, and get a free service. Our team will install WordPress, Alidropship plugin, and the chosen theme for you at no cost. Your newborn site will be ready for customization right after you get it from us. Buy Alidropship plugin. You get all the necessary tools and features for your dropshipping store, and it's all for $89 only. So make up your mind and take the first step to the financial stability and independence with your own online business. Order your plugin now.
knowing what really works was a huge challenge.
The same content is taught at these expensive seminars.
I used to give opportunities like this a miss. Then I learned to grow my business. I needed to grow.
So hopefully to see you on some of my next videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and talk to you soon.